In this video, we're actually going to be comparing JobTread versus Jobber. Now, think about this. When you're looking at Better Boss in our business model, basically, I had two previous businesses that I sold my ownership from to start Better Boss on the premises of solving the problem that 70% of contractors, construction companies fail at implementing their software. All right. So we had to find the right partner for us, the person that we could not only trust now, but trust a year from now, 5 years from now, the roadmap, the leadership, the culture, the mission, everything like that. And that's why we decided to go with JobTread. There's other great tools out there, but we're looking for the best, not only now, but for the future. I wanted a bright future for every single contractor that we serve and build an operating system inside of their JobTread account. All right. So now we can first look at pricing. All right. So when you're looking at pricing for JobTread, we're looking at $199 per month plus $20 per user. All right. Now, remember, a big thing here is you get free customer and vendor portals. All right. So all your subcontractor suppliers, they get free access to this system. Right. Now, at $199, it blows my mind. They haven't increased the price in 3 years, and they continue to just bombard us with new features. All right, you get a price break after 10 users. So once you hit 11, you get a price break. You can also get 20% off, all right, on the annual subscription when you pay up front for the year, and then you can also get a 30-day money-back guarantee for the monthly subscription. So if for any reason it just wasn't for you, you can just switch back to whatever that tool was, all right? So when you're looking at Jobber, all right, so they have 3 different levels here. They have Grow, Connect, Core. I'll be 100% honest with you. If I'm ever going to build an operating system, I want all of the features, all right? So for this, for just me, it's $199. All right, now if I go to 2 to 5 people, now all of a sudden now it's jumping up to $499 per month. All right, so it all of a sudden gets pretty drastically more expensive. All right, 6 to 10, we're looking at $599, and you can kind of just see the numbers go from there. And then past the 16, they want to chat with you. All right, but the biggest thing here that I've noticed is they have all these additional things like a pipeline for $49 $49 a month. Like, shouldn't a pipeline just be like the standardized thing that you get in your system when you're trying to build an operating system, no matter what the size of the organization is? So for me, that just does not make sense. All right. Now, when you're looking at Jobber in comparison to a tool like JobTread, JobTread's going to be much, much more robust. All right. It's a tool that, any kind of remodeler, custom home builder, roofing contractor, right? Any really big GC, a commercial contractor, right? You kind of name it, right? This is the system for you. It's setting a new standard when it looking at just managing projects and building an operating system for your organization. Now, if you're a smaller, maybe just getting going, right, and for whatever reason you're against going with JobTread, Jobber might not be a bad use case for you. But the biggest thing is once you grow, you're going to have to be switching systems, right, into something that can actually scale with you at an affordable price that's constantly adding in new features, right? Anytime I see add-on stuff like this, I'm always a little bit turned off. Another thing, too, when I'm looking at, like, the product here, you can see here it's like, all right, powerful AI tools. For me, I'm not really looking for AI tools in my system necessarily. Like, I want a really foundationally strong tool that has all of the different bells and whistles, features, resources that I need to build this operating system. And then I just want to use the best AI on the planet, right? I say this over and over again, right? But Claude is the most powerful tool on the planet. Every single thing that me and our organization does at Better Boss is done through Claude, right? We basically build a process of how a human does it, an SOP, and then from there, we use AI to supercharge it. So now every single task that we do for us internally or for our customers is done through Claude. So now when you're able to connect this to your system, not every single one of your features is an AI powered feature, right? So instead of trying to make all these little ones, 100%, you need to go with the AI connector. Okay, guys? So for me personally, I say this over and over again, JobTread is just the standard, right? If you're looking at this is something that I always kind of look back and forth. But before I do, I just want to say this. So now you can see here, here's a bunch of different JobTread accounts that we have synced up here, right? I can now speak get insights from any of these accounts directly from my cloud, which is my favorite tool of all time. But this is something I always look at, right? So biggest thing with software companies, they do a really good job of not allowing you to see legitimate reviews, right? And they just kind of showcase the reviews that they have control of. So they don't actually build a Google My Business page and have reviews. So if you look here, JobTread, over 1,300 5-star reviews. You don't see that in software, right? If you look here, Jobber doesn't even have a page, right? So they have this stuff where they kind of just run it, right? You can see here in Trustpilot 3.9, but on these reviews, right? Get Jobber, they're controlling all of those reviews, right? If I had to decide, I'm going with JobTread all day, every day. There's no way all these people are lying. You even get access to their community, which is absolutely amazing for me as a partner and for all the users. Make sure you're checking us out in the marketplace, sort by highest rating. You'll see Better Balls right on top. Remember, better starts now, but you gotta start now.